Welcome to the Green Stock News Brief for Tuesday, June 24th. Here are today's top headlines. Cipher Mining has announced the successful energization and commencement of mining at its Black Pearl site, initiating hashing at approximately 2.5 exahash per second, with plans to reach 9.6 by Q3 as new mining rigs replace legacy units. With this expansion, the company's total self-mining hash rate will grow to 23 across 5 data centers, supported by a 2.6 gigawatt pipeline for Bitcoin mining and high-performance computing. ARAI has partnered with India's leading hyperlocal delivery platform, Skye Air Mobility, to deploy its autonomous delivery infrastructure, starting with 60 secure arrive points and expanding to 500 units nationwide. This collaboration aims to scale secure, automated drone deliveries across major Indian cities, enhancing last-mile logistics with ARAI's patented smart mailbox technology. XCharge has deployed 2 grid-link chargers at a new EV charging depot in California, supporting Gateway Fleet's last-mile delivery customers with cost-effective, high-power charging. Integrating battery storage and load management technology, the grid-link system helps reduce energy costs and grid strain, addressing California's clean energy demands while supporting the state's transition to 100% zero-emission medium and heavy-duty vehicles by 2040. SunHydrogen has announced a strategic collaboration with the University of Texas to install and operate a 322-square-foot hydrogen production system using its photoelectrochemical technology. This pilot plant, featuring 16 modular reactor units powered entirely by sunlight and water, marks the company's first large-scale, real-world system aimed at validating performance for future commercial deployment.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.